When humans first turned to the ocean to find and harvest food hundreds of thousands of years ago, the seemingly infinite amount and diversity of seafood must have been overwhelming. In fact, until the middle of the last century, even scientists thought that humankind would not severely threaten the large fish stocks in our ocean. Well, today we know better. Nowadays, over 800 million people depend directly or indirectly on marine food production for their livelihoods. And for many more of us, seafood is the major protein source. With the world's population expected to breach the 10 billion mark within this century, this number will even increase, making it one of the biggest challenges for humankind to ensure food security for all of us. Because seafood will have to be part of the solution, we crucially need sustainable and effective management strategies. For this, we need to understand the complex processes and interactions of marine food webs that provide us with algae, crustaceans, jellyfish, and fish. We harvest these food webs on many different levels, not only near the coast, but due to the technological progress also in the open ocean and deep sea, exploiting previously inaccessible marine food sources. This extension of fisheries has led to higher catches, but also to large numbers of unintended and often unusable bycatch. To control and regulate the amount we take out in a better way and to allow fish stocks time and space to grow back would enable us to fish the ocean sustainably. What if we no longer depended on wild fisheries? What if we could simply cultivate the species we use for consumption and thereby reduce our pressure on wild populations? This idea is not new. Humans began to cultivate fish, algae, and crustaceans already thousands of years ago. It all started in freshwater systems with easy-to-raise carp, and now has evolved into salmon aquaculture in the ocean. A major problem, however, is that cultivating marine fish requires a high input of wild-sourced fish meal. Instead of reducing our pressure on wild marine species, we are extending it further. Intensive coastal aquaculture causes severe local pollution and habitat destruction. We need to develop better techniques and management solutions to make aquaculture a real alternative. Better fisheries management and innovative aquaculture practices are crucial if we want the ocean to continue being one of the main providers of essential protein for humans. With a combination of wild fisheries and aquaculture carried out in a sustainable way, not only would we ensure food security, but also income for sustained human well-being.